Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you can see beautiful 2013 Toyota Highlander two-wheel drive with pretty low miles, 117,000 miles on the odometer. It's a pretty good vehicle, drives really nice, has a nice interior, everything works as it should, but it has one little problem. Anytime you put on the AC system, if you run the fan, there is pretty audible and very annoying clicking sound. So let's go together and try to duplicate a complaint. I will not start it. Come on beeper. So now we have it beautifully quiet here, and let's use the fan. Here it's off. Do you hear what I hear? That's pretty annoying, don't you think so? I will raise the speed. Obviously, all of you experts, you know immediately what it is. It's a typical for Toyota vehicles and Honda vehicles. The blower motor is failing and it starts clicking like this. And it's time to get rid of it, replace it with a new one. That blower motor is located in the passenger feet. So if you want to get to it, you have to first remove this panel. It's not going through here, but for just visibility, we can easily remove this glove box. You know how that is done. You squeeze these sides and then you move it out. It lets you to move. This might be actually removable just with bare hands, because there is a clip you push in. There will be another one on the other side. If I can get to it. Let me see, where are you? Right there. It should be going down. Is there one in the middle also? Yep. One. So it's three of them. There will be always some mess. I believe there is an interior temperature sensor right here, so I will have to disconnect that. The connector is wrapped in this entire rattle foam, but that also got disconnected, so we can continue. And we basically can see that blower motor already. It's this unit right here. So we will be disconnecting another wire or connector with the wires, the thick ones, because there is it's a bigger motor, so it has a thicker wires. It's these ones. I hope you see it perfectly. It's these ones, and there is a connector right here. Again, without any tools so far, I will be just squeezing the tab right here. It's towards to the passenger. And pulling down the connector. It's right here. There was the tab. This entire blower assembly is held with three very unusual bolts. It's not these Phillips. This is different. But here on the outer rim, you see one. Where did I see them? Two, it's right here, and third one is out of vision right now. There are three of them. I cannot film for you how I will use the screwdriver to remove them, but I will use just a standard screwdriver, drop it down, and then we will continue together. There's no space for me and the camera here. This is what you see when you remove the third one, when it drops down. So this is how it went down. Now we have a chance to take it to the bench and see what is happening with it. Before we will do that, I will show you the opening now. You see the cabin air filter above it, and you always make sure that the clicking was actually not debris which fell down. When somebody was maybe replacing the cabin air filter through here, and maybe the leaf or something fell on the blower, and that was the ticking, but this is absolutely spotless. I put my hand already there, check the whole area. So I will be blaming in this case that blower motor. And if you are not sure what's happening, you can always hook it back. Be careful with your fingers and run it. So I put ignition on and I can start in the low. Look at it. We are back to that annoying clicking sound. So we know this unit is failing. And if you want to get rid of that annoying sound, it has to be completely replaced. Here we have a chance to look at that part closely. So many times you will see on these blades, you will see like a weight, because when they make it, it might be slightly out of balance and you put the weights on it. The same like on the ceiling fans. This unit we can see there was nothing mechanically touching the blades, the debris I discussed. That's the first thing you always check in, because when you are dealing with the cabin air filter, which is above it, sits above it, something could fall in. But we didn't find anything. There's nothing stuck here between. When I'm spinning it, I don't feel any really play on this shaft, but we hear some clicking. So there's some play in that motor, and that must have been causing these problems. It says Denso right here, so I'm assuming this is original part. Make a note. In the past, the resistor was separate. It was elsewhere in that duct being cooled by the moving air. Now it's a part of the whole assembly. It's the motor resistor, and here is that entire fan. So I will go ahead and install the new part in the vehicle. Toyota was not available today, so I bought aftermarket. I will put it back and let's go and have a comparison if there is any improvement and how it will sound, how the air conditioning system will sound with a new replacement unit. I didn't try it, I just installed it. So I'm curious if I did a good job, if the part is good and so on. So we will do the same. I will put ignition on. That's the 3 beeps, 117,000 miles. Okay, and now I'm really curious if there will be that clicking. Oh no! I hear the air going through the vents, and it sounds like it's going faster. Already on minimum. Before, when you put it on, basically did almost like nothing. Oh, it seems to be moving more. let's try the other speeds. This is the low. Oh yeah, my friend, it's moving, but not excessively. I don't think this is too much, but this is a normal sound. Absolutely will be the highest speed. Oh yeah, I definitely at this moment I don't regret purchasing that aftermarket. This is very civilized action in the vehicle. No more clicking from down there. I love it. I love these results. That's a great success. It's a very, very nice. The action of the fan. I'm sure the owner will be very happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. You will find it helpful in the future. If you do, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel. And have a great day, my friend.